In the depths of space, a single bright point emerges on the endless black horizon. It grows slowly, pulsing faintly, surrounded by silence and the distant hum of cosmic radiation. In a universe of billions of stars, a solitary visitor crosses the interstellar abyss. It comes from a place beyond our understanding, and it may be older than the solar system itself. October 21st, 2025. NASA issues an urgent statement. The Planetary Defense Protocol has been activated. The reason? A faint speck detected weeks earlier, now designated Comet 3I Atlas. Inside NASA's control room, tension fills the air. Monitors glow with complex orbital trajectories, while scientists exchange silent, serious glances. This is not a drill. Something extraordinary and potentially dangerous is unfolding far beyond Earth. The story began on July 1, 2025. The Atlas telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, spotted a new object streaking through our solar system. At first, it seemed like just another comet, but it quickly became clear this was no ordinary visitor. As data streamed in, a final chilling message flashed across the screens. Interstellar origin confirmed. This object didn't come from our neighborhood. It came from the vast, dark expanse between the stars. As scientists pointed more powerful instruments at it, the mystery only deepened. Digital simulations revealed its frozen surface venting brilliant jets of gas, but the chemical signature was unlike anything ever seen. Its coma, the glowing envelope around the core, was dominated not by water, but by pure carbon dioxide. Scientists stared at their readings in disbelief. We're talking about 8 times more CO2 than H2O, a ratio that defies every known rule about comets. Then, the James Webb Space Telescope delivered the final, shocking confirmation. Its powerful sensors locked onto the visitor, verifying the bizarre chemistry. This was officially the most chemically anomalous comet ever recorded, and it was moving at an unimaginable speed, exceeding 210,000 kilometers per hour. A quiet, mounting hum underscored the gravity of those numbers. The world's space agencies knew they had to act fast. A global conference call united the planet's greatest minds. NASA, the European Space Agency, Harvard, JAXA, all represented by tense, focused experts staring into their cameras. This was the International Asteroid Warning Network, or IAWN, and they were initiating an unprecedented global exercise. From November 27, 2025 to January 27, 2026, the entire planet would participate in a massive defense and tracking campaign. The goal was clear: to refine the trajectory of 3I Atlas with absolute precision. One tiny error in their calculations, and this cosmic curiosity could transform into a planetary catastrophe. Alert tones echoed as digital maps of the solar system appeared, a single red line slicing through the orbits of the planets. The Earth was watching, measuring, and holding its breath. In laboratories around the globe, teams worked around the clock. Giant radio antennas rotated skyward, and the James Webb Space Telescope peered deeper into the void. Time was running out. 3I Atlas was on a hyperbolic orbit, a trajectory that meant it was just passing through and would never return. It was speeding toward its perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, predicted for October 29, 2025. This was humanity's one shot to study it. Scientists worldwide braced for a moment of truth that might last only a few hours. Simulations showed the comet hurtling toward the Sun, its spectacular tail stretching for millions of kilometers. Its core, a mountain of ice and dust from another star system, was estimated to be anywhere from 320 meters to 5.6 kilometers wide. But even at a staggering distance of 450 million kilometers, it was emitting traces of water vapor, a phenomenon that, according to our understanding of comets, simply shouldn't be happening so far from the Sun's heat. The solar system pulsed with anticipation. But the most astonishing revelation was yet to come. As supercomputers crunched the numbers, running models of the comet's journey through space and time, the Discovery team found something that changed everything. Their model suggested that 3I Atlas is over 7 billion years old, older than our Sun, older than the Earth, older than the solar system itself. Think about that. An artistic visualization shows a newborn sun igniting, and drifting silently nearby is this ancient traveler, already billions of years old. It's a fossil of the universe, a messenger from an age before our planets even formed. Each particle on its frozen surface may hold the secrets to the birth of the very first stars. Imagine touching something that existed before our world began. As 3I Atlas crosses the solar system, blazing bright against the sun's corona, humanity watches in silence. Perhaps it will pass by, a fleeting visitor that will never return to our skies. Or, perhaps, it carries the answers to the origin of everything we know. This isn't just a comet, it's a time capsule from the dawn of creation. The universe is still speaking, and we are just learning how to listen. If this story left you in awe of the cosmos, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you the most incredible stories from the final frontier. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep looking up.